Let's be honest. Everyone wants to make money online, but no one wants to spend hours and hours working for it. We all dream of that passive income lifestyle where money comes in while we sleep, travel, or just hang out. So today, I'm showing you the laziest AI income methods that actually work and will continue to work in 2025. And yes, the best part is, you can start them even if you have zero skills, zero experience, and almost zero budget. Now, I want to be crystal clear. These are not your typical fake get-rich-quick ideas that promise you $1 million overnight. These are real, tangible, AI-powered systems that people in the US, Europe, and all around the world are using right now to generate a substantial income. The beauty of these methods is that once you set them up, they run with almost no effort from you. They are designed for maximum laziness and maximum profit. So, if you're ready to let AI do the heavy lifting for you, stick around, because we're about to build your lazy income empire. Let's dive into our first method, which I call the AI auto-posting money machine. Imagine this. AI finds the content, AI writes the content, AI makes a video from that content, and then AI posts it for you. This is a fully automated short-form content system that posts for you every single day on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, all without you lifting a finger once it's set up. So, why is this so lazy? Well, you do the initial setup one time. That's it. After that, AI completely takes over. It handles finding the viral topics in your chosen niche. It writes the script, it generates the video, it creates the captions, it schedules the posts, it posts them daily across all platforms, and it even tracks the performance so you know what's working. You're essentially building a content factory that runs itself. Now you're probably wondering, what tools do you need for this? It's simpler than you think. You can use ChatGPT or Claude for brainstorming ideas and writing scripts. For video creation, tools like CapCut's AI video editor or Canva Magic Studio can turn text into engaging videos in minutes. You can use Notion AI to organize your workflow, and then for the final step, auto-posting, you can use a scheduler like Metricool or Buffer. These tools connect to your social accounts and post the content for you automatically. So, how do you make money with this? You have two options. You can run this system for yourself, build up your own channels, and monetize through ad revenue. Affiliate marketing or selling your own products. That's a great long-term play. But, and this is where the real money is, you can run this exact system for small businesses. Next up, we have our second lazy method, AI auto-generated digital downloads. The concept is simple. You create a digital product once, upload it to a platform that handles the selling, and you collect money 24/7. This is the definition of passive income. Digital products are exploding in the US right now. Etsy alone generated over $2.7 billion in digital product sales last year. So what kind of products are we talking about? AI can help you create simple digital products that are in high demand. Things like coloring books for kids or adults, daily journals, productivity checklists, weekly planners, short kid stories, sticker designs, printable wall art, phone wallpapers, and social media templates. The list is endless. You create these files once, upload them to an online marketplace, and they can sell forever with absolutely no extra work from you. The reason this method is the peak of laziness is because there are no physical products involved. There's no customer service to handle, no packaging, no shipping, no restocking inventory. Once your product is uploaded, the marketplace handles the payment and delivery. Your only job is to create and upload. That's it. It's a purely digital, hands-off business model. The tools for this are also incredibly accessible. You can use ChatGPT for generating thousands of ideas for your products. For creating the visuals, AI image generators like Midjourney, Ideogram, or DALL-E are perfect. You can generate stunning images for your coloring books, wall art, or stickers with a simple text prompt. Then, you use a free tool like Canva to format everything into a downloadable file, like a PDF. Finally, you upload your finished product to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, which have millions of buyers actively looking for these types of products. What's the income potential here? It's genuinely impressive. Many beginners start by making an extra $100 to $300 a month, which is already a great side hustle. But people who stay consistent and regularly upload new products can easily scale to $2,000 a month, or even $10,000 a month and beyond. Each product you upload is like a tiny digital employee working to make you money around the clock. Our third lazy method is creating AI customer support bots for small businesses. This is another set-it-and-forget-it model. You build one bot, it gets installed on a client's website, and they pay you monthly with virtually zero maintenance required from you. So what does this bot do? You build an AI chatbot that becomes a 24/7 employee for a business. It can answer common customer questions, book appointments directly into the business's calendar, help users find specific products on an e-commerce site, and respond instantly to inquiries, day or night. This drastically reduces the workload for the business owner and improves their customer service overnight. And the best part for you is, once it's installed and trained on the business's information, it runs completely on its own. This method is lazy because the work is all front-loaded. You spend a few hours setting up the chatbot. After that, you charge a monthly recurring fee for maintenance, even though the AI is doing 99% of the work. You might check in once a month to make sure everything is running smoothly, but that's about it. It's the ultimate passive retainer. The tools you need for this might sound technical, but they're becoming more and more user-friendly. You can power your bot using the ChatGPT or Claude API. You can then integrate it into a website using platforms like TAWK.to, Crisp, or Intercom. And you can use automation tools like Make.com or Zapier to connect the chatbot to other apps, like a calendar for booking appointments. Can even create simple Notion dashboards to show your clients how well the bot is performing. The income potential is fantastic because it's scalable. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per month per client for this service. Let's do the math. If you get just 10 clients paying you on the lower end, say $100 a month, that's $1,000 a month in passive income. If you get 20 clients, that's $2,000 a month. You're doing basically nothing after the initial setup, and the money keeps rolling in. Let me give you a quick, powerful, real-world example of this. There's a freelancer who built one simple chatbot for a local hair salon. The bot was trained on their services, prices, and available appointment times. The salon owner now pays him $150 every single month. That chatbot now handles over 400 customer messages per month, booking appointments and answering questions. The freelancer doesn't even touch it anymore. It's a completely passive income stream he built in just one afternoon. Now, before you rush off to start, I want to share a few critical mistakes to avoid. First, and this is the most important, don't try to do all three of these methods at once. That's a recipe for burnout. Pick the one that sounds the most exciting to you and focus all your energy on mastering it. Once you're making a consistent income from one, you can explore another. Second, don't overcomplicate the tools. There are thousands of AI tools out there, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. Stick to the simple, proven tools I mentioned. You don't need the most expensive or complex software to get started. The goal is to start not to be perfect. And third, don't ignore consistency, especially in the beginning. Even lazy systems need a little bit of attention to get going. Whether it's uploading a few digital products a week or checking in on your client's chatbot, a little bit of consistent effort at the start will set you up for long-term passive success. These systems are lazy, but they aren't magic. So there you have it, 3 of the laziest yet most effective AI income methods that will dominate in 2025. You can start any of these today and begin building a real, automated income stream. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these lazy AI income methods, just comment the word lazy below, and I'll make a deep dive video on the most requested one. And if you want me to build a lazy income system for you live in the next video, tell me which one in the comments. Now get ready to build real online income in 2025 using the power of AI. Make sure to subscribe, because this is Wealth Hustle, and your future starts right here. Thanks for watching.